Hey traders, Thomas here. Got an email today from somebody who wanted me to do a quick review of the push zone activity in the market from Wednesday. So here it is. And remember, push zones give us a clean roadmap. All right, they show us whether the smart money is pushing the stop run activity to the buy side or to the sell side. And we can actually see when the shift control into the opposite direction. Right? And this is important, guys. When an aggressive price move in the market is pushed by smart money and then fueled by trapped retail traders, right? Their stops getting hit. This represents opportunity, and it should grab and hold your attention. The problem for most traders is that this activity is happening right under their nose without them being aware of it. Or worse yet, they're getting trapped in it and they wind up getting steamrolled. To be able to see this real time and to be able to lean on these zones for ideal entry location, this is a game changer. Now, let's take a quick look at this sequence yesterday. Now, first it was sequences to the sell side, hitting sell stops, trapping buyers at highs. This was yesterday, Wednesday morning, right after the cash open. They ran some buy stops, they trapped buyers, and they turned it around, and they started to hit sell stops right before they bottomed out. All right, let's take a look at this activity here. Now, you see the market getting into this 26.34 area. Not really a good idea to be looking for shorts there, even though the market wound up topping out there. There's no reference points there, right? These are all-time highs. They're hitting buy stops. We want to wait for some type of confirmation, right? Nothing wrong with having a sell-side bias, but you got to wait for that confirmation to show us a control shift. And that's exactly what we see here when this push zone forms. And remember, these push zones form automatically, right? We're not doing this manually. These push zones form automatically. All right, so this push zone comes in. Now you have the green light to put on shorts. Anywhere up to the bottom of this push zone here, right? And where your risk is going to be is 2 ticks above 33.5 would be ideal. They start to get into the 33.25, 33.5 area. Things start to get a little sketchy, so to speak, where if they get that high, guess what? They're probably going back up to those highs to retest those highs, maybe higher. And if that's the case, you don't want to be short, right? If this is going to be a true sellers in control situation where they did take control, but if they're going to keep control, then they're going to defend this area. Now watch how this works out. Now not only do we have this push zone form, got the uptick up to 33, right? And then they start to sell off hard from here. Not only do they sell off, they form a new push zone to the sell side. So now you can bring your stops down. Now you have opportunity to either add into your position or reinitiate your position. Maybe if you took profit on a short scalp, you could put it back on. Now, they don't retest here right away. It took about 20, 25 minutes, but what you're going to see here is a retest back up into this area. Now, I'm kind of scrolling through this, so it's going a little bit faster than actual market activity. So here's the retest. Again, stops could be brought down. Now, instead of 33.5, stops going to be at 32.5. If you want to reinitiate shorts here, add into your position, however you want to manage it, this is ideal trade location. Anything you put on here, literally, you're not taking more than 5 ticks of heat, 5 ticks of risk where your stop's going to be. All right, now let's watch it from here. Another push zone, same idea. Push zone forms, market comes back up, tests, another opportunity for shorts. Market is still in sell side mode, right? Smart money's pushing to the sell side. Retest here, 2-point reaction, 3-point reaction, I'm sorry. Retest, 3-point reaction. Retest. Now you got about a 5-point reaction, right? Market comes back up, not quite back up into it again. New push zone forms. So again, same idea. You're using this push zone, bring your stop down, looking to reinitiate shorts, however you want to manage it. That's up to you. But this is giving you the roadmap, right? Now, what you're looking for here to take profit is either for them to take out a sell side push zone, or if you see a buy side push zone form. All right, that's showing you control is shifting to the buy side, at least temporarily. Right? Now, you're going to see the market bottom out here at 20, and now you got your buy side push zone here. So now, if you're short, time to take profit on shorts. If you're looking for longs, time to start to put longs on. Right? There's no reason to step in front of this activity to the buy side. Wait for the push zone. It's showing you that confirmation that control has shifted to the buy side. That's the key. This push zone here is only 2 ticks wide. You get long 21 3/4, 22s. Your stop's at 21, 23 quarters at the most. Because if they get back down there, guess what? They're probably going to retest that lows. Now, as it turned out, this was the low of the day. This push zone held subsequent retests. This is about noontime Eastern. They came back down here at about 2 or 2:30, testing 21 halves. They came back in near the cash close, 4:30. They also came back in at sometime in Globex, maybe 8:30 Eastern time, and that they never took this push zone out. All right, so if you're looking for longs, that was the spot to lean on. And we all know what happened today, right? How far the market rallied. This was the launching point. Can't stress it enough, guys. Thinking in terms of these smart money-driven stop-run sequences, it's one of the most important concepts to understand in trading. And this is where these push zones come in. They shine a spotlight on this activity. The push zones identify these important sequences as they're occurring in the market so we could trade with the smart money as they push price and not against them. These push zones are showing us ideal entry location once control shifts into our direction, and they help us manage our risk effectively. Any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Trade patient, trade well, everybody. We'll see you in the trade room.